guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sydney, and today I'm going to be making a fishbowl bead clear slime and a foam bead opaque slime. Regular. I don't know what you would call this. White glue. That's it. Clear glue, white glue. Cool. But yeah, so I'm going to start with the white glue one just because I think that'll take the longest. But yeah, so you see me like wiggling around. It's because my dog is on the other side of me and he's like biting my foot. So I'm trying to get off. Like he's right there. Rocket! That's the newest member of our family. Oh boy. Mowgli! And you've met that one before, but he's like been playing with my foot. Hey, stop doing that. But yeah, so Mowgli might join me. Rocket's trying to bite me right now, but yeah. So yeah, so let's get started. This is my second video today, so yeah, and it's nighttime, which is like the only time I can film videos, so I'm kind of tired. So yeah, so I have this container, and I'm just gonna fill it. I'm not gonna fill it a lot because I want to make it like the perfect amount of foam beads. So I don't want a lot of fallout. So that is enough. I filled it to about there. Uh-oh. My phone's at 15. I guess I'll have to plug it in. Cool. Now, I still haven't figured out what bead I want, so I'm going to figure that out. So I have yellow, pink, orange, baby blue, rainbow, and purple, and that's it. So I do not have green. That's about the only color that I do not have. So yeah. And I feel like all my fishbowl beads have like disappeared. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just imagining things. Maybe I only had that many colors. But yeah. I think I'm going to add, I'm going to use a color that I don't use, that I'm not going to be using very often. Let's do orange. So we're doing orange, and I'm going to make the slime yellow. Yep, making it yellow. Or I'm going to make it pink. So let's add one pink drop, and then let's grab our little mixing tool and mix, and if I need more I'll add more, but I kind of want this to be like a light pink. Let's add like half a drop, which I know is weird, but like that was half a drop. That was pretty hard too. I don't know how I did it, but like I squeezed out a little tiny bit. I'm trying to keep it up. My dog keeps knocking it down. I'm sorry. Just make it a little darker. Okay, I like this color. Oh, it's my dog. I was like, what is that? So, let's put this down. This is what I'm at. These two. I like the color, so I'm going to add my activator, and I'm going to add the foam beads afterwards. Plus, you want to under-activate it so that the beads will stick. That might have been too much. Someone spilled something. Oh yeah, by the way, I just uploaded. It might not even be uploaded yet. Like, I just hit the upload button. But if you have not seen my beach video, my beach slime video, I just posted it. I had fun making it. I thought it was like super fun to do, and I would definitely like do like a little art project like that, like making like a beach slime. I would make something else, maybe like a picture or something. But yeah, definitely tell me what you might want to see. I've seen different things, like people do the top of their slimes or like with their slimes. I just think they're cool, so if y'all want me to do that, I will definitely give it a try. Just know that I cannot pay, no biting, sorry, I cannot edit, for the life of me, so, yeah, so, I've not figured it out. I've watched videos on how to do it, and it does not make sense to me, so, stop doing that. That hurts. Just trying to bite my toes off. It does not feel good. Crap. That is enough. That was probably too much, to be honest. Hey. 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 By the way, I'm doing this on my bed if you haven't noticed already, so trying to be careful kind of doesn't really work. And my phone's been knocked over again. Gosh. Okay, so I'm done with that. Or not, it was still activated in there, and I want to make sure that all of this is mixed in. Alrighty. I sure hope that's perfect consistency. I've never made a white-based full foam made slime before, so I hope this works. And I'm going to be using all of it because I want to. If you've ever stuck your hand in flow beads, it literally feels like nothing. Like, it feels like amazing air, which is kind of weird description, but you'll understand once you feel it someday. Okay. Let's just dip it in. I definitely did not grab a big enough container for this, so there are beads going everywhere. And I'm not enjoying it, so, to be honest with you, I'm just going to do it over this thing. I think I got all the beads in. And there we have it, folks. I'm trying to pick up the beads without getting hair. Because there's definitely dog hair in my bed, and I can promise you that my dog sleeps with me every night, and he's a husky, so he definitely sheds. See if I can get him to talk for you. Rocket! Rocket man! Who's a good boy? Sorry, I talk to him in a weird voice, and I don't ever know why, but it's probably because it's my dog, and I love him. In case you haven't noticed, I'm actually kind of obsessed with this slime right now, so... I'm definitely going to have to make a second part to this video because it's at 11 minutes already, and it'll be at 22 minutes if I do double. So, I guess, thank you guys for watching so much. If you would, please hit that subscribe button. You do not have to. I don't want to force you at all. It would help my channel out a whole lot, and I would love you if you did it. No pressure, by the way, like 0, I promise. I will not feel bad if you do not want to. I just hope that y'all enjoy watching my videos. It's fine if some of y'all don't, but I do not just do slime videos. I feel like I do them all the time, which I'm sorry for, by the way, guys. But my life is really interesting right now. I have school, but if you want me to make a day in the life of what I do, then that's cool. I'll have to do it on a Saturday though, just because Monday through Friday I have school all day, so then I usually have some type of project afterwards, whether it's cross country or it's gymnastics. I'm a gymnast, if y'all did not know. I compete. It's called TNT. It's trampolines and tumbling. So if you want to look it up, it's trampolines, Olympic trampolines, double mini, tumble track, and rod floor. If y'all don't know what it is, it's basically floor, just like one big line of it. Don't tell me I'm wrong, because I compete professionally in it, and I would know. None of y'all do compete, and you try to tell me otherwise. You don't know. I feel like I'm being so rude by saying that, but yeah. I'll do a little outro. Rocket! I'm trying to make my baby be cute, but he obviously doesn't want to do that. I feel like I'm looking in a totally other direction. But yeah, guys. See if I can get them play fighting. No, they're giving kisses. Are y'all giving kisses to each other? Are y'all giving kisses? Okay, can I have a kiss? Aw, thank you. Can I have a kiss? Oh, thanks. Oh, oh, oh. He's a very vocal dog. When he does talk, I do encourage it because I think it's super cute and I love it when he talks. People may think he's annoying, but I love it. By the way, his tail is blue. Rocket, can you show your tail? It is food dye, so it will not hurt him. I promise. I looked it up. I did the research. And it's my dog, so I do want to do what I want. I paid for him, and I paid for all of his stuff, so yeah. If you want me to do a little video on him and how cute he is and what I do to him every single day, giving him love and playing with him, even though he bites me too hard sometimes, I'm still trying to teach him how to bite softly when he's play fighting, just because his teeth are really, really sharp. I don't know why that dog's teeth are not sharp at all, but can y'all see? Oh yeah, y'all can see it. But yeah, I mean, he's play fighting with me right now, and he's not biting too bad yet, so he was just being a sweet boy. Here we go. Here we go. Give him a little scratches. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you watched all the way to the end and did not cheat, make sure to comment #follow through. Yeah, comment that. I think y'all are absolutely amazing. Thank you so much if you have subscribed to me. And I do know that I have a bunch of followers, but I don't do it for the subscribers. I do it because I personally enjoy it. And yeah, I do not promise videos any time of the week, just because I do it on my own time, and I had my own time, so I figured I'd make a YouTube video just because I love doing it. Yeah, I feel like I've talked a lot, but yeah, deuces.